Have you ever spotted this machine at the gym and wondered what the heck it's for? Well, we're gonna go into that today. This is a lying hamstring curl, and it's going to work the backside of your legs. It's done wrong often. You would think, how do you do it wrong? Well, I'm gonna show you how we do it wrong and how we do it right. So you wanna set up the machine so that the pad hits right above your ankle, and also you wanna make sure that the lever is adjusted far enough so you're getting enough stretch when the machine comes down. You're going to fold forward, make sure that you're in position so that way you don't go into the wrong way on how to do it. The handles are here. Brace yourself, flex your feet, bring your body down, and you're gonna curl that pad up towards your glutes. The hamstring muscle is essentially like the bicep of your leg. So when you pull that pad up, I want you to think about flexing your hamstring muscle. This exercise is often done wrong. And what I mean by that is people are putting too much weight on the machine, which is not necessary. And then you'll see this, where their hips come up, their butt lifts up and down off the pad. You don't want that. You don't want to look like you're humping the machine at the gym, and you don't want to pull a muscle. So make sure that you lighten the load, execute this with slow, controlled form, and you will be well on your way to beautiful hamstrings with time. Save this exercise and let me know how it goes.